What is happening? So at the beginning of December, I decided I want to get an extra $100,000 in funding capital. So what did I decide to do? I decided to go and get another prop firm challenge. What's different about this is I actually took you guys through the whole journey, through the downs and ups. And trust me, we were down for a while, but I showed you how to actually prove yourself profitable, how to actually get through a challenge strategically. It's not luck, it's all strategy. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what else you guys want to see. This year, 2025, I'm finally getting back to managing people's funds. So if you're interested in hopping on a call this Tuesday, which will be January 7th, I'll be going over in a Zoom meeting how I can trade for you if you have absolutely $0. Stay tuned for my trading AI dropping February the 1st. So I've been using this AI for about 6 months and I've been working on it for about a year now. But trust me, when I say it's that, it's that. If you want to join like-minded traders, make sure you hit the link in the description. Join my community and trade with me free for 7 days. Now we got all the plugs out of the way, let's get into the video. Please watch to the end. It's going to be one word. It actually inspires you, motivates you. You can learn a lot of things throughout this video on how to actually pass your prop firming challenge. I took you through everything. It was literally cool because it was like a day-by-day breakdown, trade-by-trade breakdown vlog. That's why it's kind of long. Again, if you want me to trade capital, you have $0. Make sure you're here for this meeting, January 7th. You can DM me on Instagram at Kino Money. Just DM me your email and I'll send you the email. Make sure you check for spam, etc. Or you can PM me on a school community when you join for a free trial. But anyways, let's get back to the video. Our first trade on our prop firm challenge, we entered SPX trade. I'm using some divergence. And right now we are right pretty much at entry, hovering in profit, hovering in drawdown. But we are going for a buy, and I want to show you guys the trade real quick. This is the first trade. We're up just what, $200, but we need to make $8,000. So hopefully we can see this play out. We can get here to take profit before we hit our stop loss. And then that will be halfway through this challenge. So what I'm doing with this challenge is I'm going to be risking 2% a trade, and then if I lose the 2% trade, I'll risk 1% on next trade, and if I lose that, then I'm done for the day. Then we'll repeat the next day, or actually we'll repeat the next day 1% until I get back to $100,000 balance. We'll do 1,000 if I'm below that, but if I'm in profit, then we're going to be risking $2,000 for this challenge. So hopefully we can keep pushing up. And let me check if there's news, because that could be bad. Let's see if we can fly and get another $100,000 to trade with. So it looks like stop loss is about to be hit. So we're going to be losing about 2% on this trade. Let's see. I'm strong into a strong mindset when I'm trade. And guess what? We're going to see what we did wrong. We're going to see if we have to change our bias. And we're going to go back on, throw 1%, aim for around a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, be back break even and or in profit. Deserve the wins if you cannot handle the losses. If you can't handle the losses in trading, you do not deserve the wins. We lose in peace, we win in peace. Come on. I really just got a new setup. I love getting more profit, but I didn't know how to work. This is my first time trading on what is it called? Funding pips. Anyways, so right now we're just what, $2 in profit. We're going for a 1 to 2. So this is what the trade looks like on TradingView. We do want to get down here. This is going to get us back around break even. But yeah, we're going to just continue this risk management strategy. If I lose this trade, I'll trade tomorrow starting at 1% risk. And if I lose that trade, then I'll go to $500 risk or 0.5% risk and then stay at 0.5 until I'm back around. I'm only in like 2% drawdown. So it is a strategy to this risk management, especially when dealing with challenges. You do have to have like a certain kind of strategy. So we do not want the charts to go up. We want them to go down right now. But you should have a risk management strategy when you are doing prop firm challenges, because you just can't trade like it's a regular live account. So I just entered 0.5% at like inefficiency for value gap, like 50% fair value. I'm just super confident, maybe overly confident, but I'm trying to stick to the risk management plan. I did put a stop loss a little bit above a high. It is going against me right now, but I am confident in the sales. But we'll see. If we lose, we lose. Come back tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll start off with 0.75% risk, just because I risk that extra 5.5 if I lose, though. If I lose, I should win, though. Should win. Remember, it's a numbers game. It's all probability. It's all probable. Like right now, this is what we're looking like. We are down. What is that? I don't know. But we don't want charts to go up. We want them to go down. I do think they will go down. So be patient. Patience. We're going to come back. And I'm going to show you guys it's going to be all the way down here. Watch. This is common theme of me trading the wrong one. So I traded US NAS on the like inefficiency 50%. It's kind of ugly. But SPX hasn't reached its fair value gap. It's kind of just reached it, and this is the one I should have sold off. I should have been patient and waited for this one. But Nas, I feel like Nas is a little more volatile and it moves a little more stronger. So I was looking for the quick run. So right now we are we're kind of deep in drawdown. We're down about we got about $857. Hopefully price can just start dropping like it's hot and we're getting profit. We can come all the way down here to hit the final TP. So TP1 for our extra entry, and then this TP2. But if we get to here, I will go break even for the initial entry. See, this would have been perfect for SPX because I would have entered right here in the fair value gap and it would have been pretty much zero drawdown. But Nas is giving me a lot of problems. So we'll see. We'll be back. This is day one. We're currently down, but let's see if we can finish on top. Finish in profit. Finish in profit. Come on, come on, come on. In profit, we were just up about $500, but obviously it's fluctuating. You know, indices move. Close to stop loss. I'm hoping we can continue to keep pushing down. But SPX was the better sell. It was the better sell. But all we do is wait. Down. I bought too early and I sold too early and I sold too late, and I bought the wrong pair and sold the wrong pair. So we look at like SPX has a fighting chance. Like it's still down below, and I would still be in profit if I was in SPX. But Nas hit me out. US 30, I wasn't interested in getting in just because how low it was for the sell, so that would have knocked me out. So we're down 3 points. I hate with the margin and the spread stuff. Anyways, we're down 3.75. I wanted to be around down 3 today, but it makes sense because we had the extra $500 loss. So we're down about 3.75% today. The max we want to be down and every single day is 3%. And we'll keep trading no matter what percent we're up, but as long as we're taking quality setups that, you know, follow our strategy. So with that being said, we'll be on tomorrow. Let's make that money back and make more. So tomorrow I'll start off risking 0.75%. And then after that, I'll go to 1. And then once we're back at break even, I'll go back to 2%. So then when I'm at 2%, I'll stay at 2% while I'm in profit. Welcome, freaking back to the next day. Right now, our starting account balance is $96,254. We are currently in a trade. We risked $1,000 in this trade. We were just in profit. Now we're currently in drawdown about halfway. So we're down about 400. Anyways, I think US 30 is going to hit all-time highs today. So this is where we're at. I was expecting price to play around in this and then eventually shoot up from right here. I think price is going to go up from right here. All the other ones are trading higher. We have some divergence. We swept liquidity, have our market structure shift. So I actually wanted price to come up from right here, but the chart's going to do what it wants to do. So hopefully we can come up here, break these highs and hit all-time high. But this is where we're at right now. So we'll see. Let you guys know if this is a win or lose, and then I'll get another trade risk around $500. All right, so we did lose that initial sell. I put my stop loss below like this fake low, so that ended up getting clapped. I entered 0.5% risk on this fair value gap. It came into this 1 minute fair value gap all the way over here. US 30 did, and it's rejecting nice off of it. Yeah, so we're gonna ride it to close to all-time highs. This will make us some money back plus like 0.5%. So we're down about 5%. So we'll see if we can get it done with this one. Remember, trading is all about probability, especially if you know you have a winning strategy. You have to endure those losses. The losses will happen. So far, we've lost. How many we lost? We lost 4 trades out of 5. I typically have a 70% win rate. So numbers game, numbers game, numbers game, numbers game. You just have to be careful of your risk, manage your risk, because that will save you in the long run when you're taking your losses. It will save you. So once we get back about 9, when we're down about 2.5%, I'll get back to risking 1%. But for right now, we're just going to be risking a 0.5%. But this trade should get us around there, and then we'll go back to 1%. And then once we get back to break even or whatever, at $100,000 for the challenge, we will go to, we'll risk our 2% again and pass the challenge quick, because I don't be trying to spend all this time passing challenges, is risking a tiny bit, just being scared of losing my $400, because I got $400 to throw in often so I can pass these challenges quickly. That's the goal. Pass challenges quickly, get the payout quickly. That's why I risk what I risk. So, but if you don't have $400, then take it slow. Actually use your 30. Actually use the 30 days they give you. I'm trying to get it done in the minimum 3. So we high risk, high risk. Actually see opportunity for us if price can close above this high. I'll be throwing 1% on. But if it comes down, like probably right here, that's basically our stop loss. But if it comes up here and closes strong, like strong displacement, I will be throwing another piece. Why, you may ask? We have strong bullish divergence that I really like. And I'm still banking on the buys, but we shall see. And if I do lose this, I will be headed over to USD JPY, because if I'm losing consistently, I do switch up my instruments. So we did get some strong displacement. I did throw that extra percent on, and we're looking like this currently. I just got in, put this percent on, stop loss down here, 0.5% stop loss down here. So we can ride up to the top. We're pretty much break even. So let's see. Okay, so right now it has been a few hours and charts are rallying in our favor, but we are still going for that all-time high. So right now we are currently up $2,330 profit. As you see, prices rallying up. Let me switch the video. As you see, prices rallying up. We're almost halfway to our take profit. I'm actually going to zoom in and see if I want to go break even. Okay, so this is the 1 minute time frame. We do have some liquidity which is below this. I can see price probably trading around in here and then rallying back up. So I will be going break even just to protect the capital. You know, it's all about longevity. There's no I feel like if it comes down into back to entry, then it's probably going to hit our stop losses because it shouldn't go down there. Or it'll come and break these lows, but I'd rather just get out the trade another day and just protect our capital. So we will be moving our stop losses to break even. And so if our stop loss gets hit, it is a bit in profit, so we will bank about $400 even if it gets hit, just because this is our $1,000 entry. But I'm hoping we can get up to here. I will be taking some profits off once we get to this high, but let's at least try to get to this high. All right, so now we're coming down to our break even. So we were up here, we're probably around maybe $2,000. We're going to be end up closing for around $300 profit. I'm probably not going to take any more trades today, or at least in this AM session. But we live to trade again tomorrow. So today was it a losing day? Yeah, because we lost $1,000 earlier, but we made about $300 back. So we're down about 0.7% today. Numbers. This trade right here. Look at the red little dot, right? That's where I went break even. You ever been into a trade where it hit your break even, then hit your TP? It don't even hit your stop loss. That's pain. But hey, we live to trade another day, man. We live to trade another day. All right, so I don't even know what I was yapping about right here. I had to speed it up, gosh dang, because somehow the sound got corrupted, right? But I took another loss right here and I was yapping, but then you see up in the next coming videos, I decided the indices were not working for me during this week. So I'm like, bro, I'm not about to keep trading the indices. I'm about to keep getting clapped. So then I decided to switch to my baby. I don't know why I didn't start with my baby. I was trying to be cool, try something new. Not even something new, but just do something else. Probably the last day of me trading. If I blow it, if I lose my trade today, it's done. The account's over. I'm going to get another profit and I'm going to pass it. We have $2,500 left. I'm going to be risking $1,500 the first trade, $1,000 the next trade. If I lose, we're going to be on for like 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s. And we're going to be trading USD JPY because we're going to be adjusting. Let's break this losing streak. It's crazy. Got into is giving us a 1-to-1. Only because I'm trading to inefficiency. I'm not really trying to take out these highs, especially since we're in a consolidated area. I don't want to try to go for any long shots. So we're risking 1,500. She'll win 1,500. Right now we're in about what, $200 profit. A little profit, but we'll see. Technology is fighting me so much right now. I'm like thinking I see a perfect place to put another position. I want to put another $1,000 on it, but if this loses, then it'll be done for, you want that longevity. So it's like, it's that fighting, like, dang, I want to do this, but it's like, it's so much discipline, because I'm like, dang, if this loses, then I still have another $1,000 to play with. But if it wins, you know, I got that extra money to play with. I will have more, but you know, it's mind games, man. It's mind games for sure. Trading is a lot of mind games. And it's kind of cool because I'm bringing you along the journey how I'm thinking right now in drawdown because I'm down 7.5% on the challenge. So I'm telling you how I'm thinking, and I do think we're gonna come out on top. I just gotta be like really patient and just manage my risk. And when I say patient, not patient on passing, but patient on setups, optimal setups that I want to get to. Because I'm trying to pass fast, but I'm also trying to take the right setups. During changing my TP to take these highs out because they're relatively equal, and we came and what do? We're really just like swept liquidity from this consolidation. So I'm really thinking it could come up here. So I may move my TP. This will be my first TP. So I'll probably go break. I'm not break even because I think it's gonna come back down. But I'll probably take a little bit off. But I do think it could come up here. That's the thing. Dang, we've been dying. But I think we're gonna go higher. Right now we are pushing up. We're pretty close to our initial take profit, but I'm not gonna go break even. I'm gonna let it cook, and I think we can get up there. So let's see if USDJPY can pay us. Now toilet thoughts, but it hit exactly where TP1 was, and it dropped. So it hit exactly where our TP was, our original TP was, and it dropped. I'm still hopeful it'll take those highs. If it take those highs, man, it could get us where we need to be at. Those highs, I'm risking 3 bands on the next trade. Simple. 3 bands on the next trade. Right now, we have price go and fill this target. I don't really like how this candle is rejecting. So I think I'm gonna go break even, but it was up probably around $2,000 because it surpassed our $1,500 mark and went up here. I don't like how it's rejecting right here because you know obviously it's fair value. It's fair value, so it could possibly come back down and keep trading lower. So I'm gonna go break even since I'm trading against the fair value. Don't want to go break even. Reason being, we have a nice gap that I will actually take a trade off that to go higher. So I see it taking this liquidity right here. It will take this pool of liquidity, hit the fair value gap, then it will keep trading up. So I'm actually not gonna go break even. We're gonna hold. Should I put my 1,000 there? Let me know in the comments. I just basically did exactly what I said. It came down to that small spot, past break even, and went back up to all-time high for that session. And then right now it's just consolidating. But it is the end of the session. It is Friday, and I don't know if I can hold trades over the weekend for this prop firm. So regardless if I can or not, I'm about to go break even, and then I'll close maybe an hour or so before market close. It was a crappy week, but we'll see. I don't know if I told y'all, but I ended up getting stuck in a trade over the weekend, and we're in profit. We'll wake up tomorrow and see if we're still in profit. Whether or not we're in profit or not, I'm closing the trade so we can start fresh and pass this week. I do expect to be passed by. I do expect to win this trade over the night. It'll get us not break even, but close to it. And hear me out. I do plan to pass by like Wednesday. Going to get back to the 2K risk. Hit like a 1 to 2, then a 1 to 3, and then we're done. Bro, so I just woke up. It's 5:48. I swore I was still in the trade. For some reason I'm out of the trade with I was out of that trade with 150 profit, but I should be up a few thousand. For some reason I'm out of that trade. I don't know why I'm out of that trade. I don't remember going break even or anything. What the freak? I need to see why that trade got closed. So I went back and looked and I didn't go break even. So I don't know why I'm out this trade. I would have been up like 4 bands. So now what I'm about to do is risk 2 bands on the next trade, bump it. Actually been a while, but I'd like to say we are down 2.5%, so 8%. But I will say we should be past already. But some reason it's taking me out of trades that I should have won, or that I would have won if it wouldn't have took me out. But it's taking me out in profit. So I don't know if it's like a margin thing because I have tight stop losses, but anyways, we continue the race. So we're down about 2.4%, total of 3 traded days. Average 620, 601. So that's actually not bad, to be honest, because I thought he was doing way worse. But I'm going to see if I can get another trade today, get us break even. We should have been break even, but it took us out those trades, but we good. So I just entered a Nas trade. I know we've been winning. All our wins are on USDJPY, but I want to give the indices one last try. And if I lose this, I am done with indices for this challenge. The reason I use indices in the first place was because they're I usually pass challenges with them quickly. So we'll see if it goes past this order block right here. Then I think stop loss is gonna get hit. But if we get some decent rejection right here, and we can hit the inefficiency right here, then that's what I'm aiming for. Because we just purged this liquidity, so I'm looking to go back to inefficiency or internal liquidity. So we are back break even. We were at 1,400 and something dollars. Now we're at $99,477. And today is Friday. My goal was to complete this in no longer than 2 weeks. Otherwise, it's a waste of time. So I'm going to pass today. I got $4,000 of liquidity to be used on risking trades. I need to make about $9,000. So we're going to try to do like a win a 1 or 2 risking 2%, and then win another 1 or 2 risking 2%, and then smack like a 101. So let's cook. Risk-free trades, risk-free trades. Guess what? Halfway to TP. Let's keep pushing. But hear me out though. We come back right here, I'm risking $2,000. We come right here, I'm risking $2,000. I'm gonna put it below this low, and I want to go up here. So let's see if we get down there. Hey, that sucker came back down. Guess what I did? I sure did risk. Sheesh. Came right back down to that entry and I closed because it's Friday. We about to go have fun. Sir, caught this sucker on the live. Let's go. Going crazy. Going freaking crazy. Let's cook. Let's cook. Let's cook. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take stop loss below this low for sure. It's already break even, but we live, baby. We live. Cooking. I'm up 5K on a challenge, right? I ain't been vlogging for a minute because I just been cooking, and I don't know. I just been like, I don't know, not recording, but I should have been bringing y'all through the entire journey. So right now we are forcing a win. We are forcing to pass a challenge with this one trade. Let me show you. Down $1,700. I'm force winning $3,000. We don't even have to get to this anymore because this is the $3,000 win. We probably have to get to like right here, and then we can win because this is a $2,000 stop loss. This is a $1,000 stop loss. So if we can get like right, if price can come up here, we pass, and I think we can do it. So I'll let y'all know. We back in profit. We need price to get to right here, and the first phase is done, and I'll complete the next phase tomorrow. Easy. We did it, guys. Dang, we hit our 8%. It should have took this long, and I should never wanted that much drawdown. But it shows you the reality of trading, especially when you keep switching up your plan and whatnot. Because I should never been trading indices with to start this challenge in the first place. I would have been done in like a couple days. So I'm gonna finish the challenge tomorrow. Hopefully I get my new account details. But yeah, bruh. But I'll show this 32 trades, 11 days, took too long. Yeah, we lit. So I just got my account credentials, guys, dang. And I think I'm gonna be risking 2.5K on one trade just to smack it. I'm thinking about doing the trade overnight, letting it run through London, just so I can smack this and be done and get another quick 100K out of it to the pot. So we definitely gonna pass tomorrow. Look, I risked 2.5K, went a 1 to 2.1, or I could risk 2K and win a 1 to 2.5. Choices. Anyways, you see it's ongoing, but I have to do my 3 days, but I hit my $5,000 target. It was literally a one trade, one win type of situation, but I forgot about, what is it called? It's called, I don't know. It's when you get in a trade and takes a little money. I don't know, brain fart. Anyways, that It took about $70, so I had to make $70 with like 3-4 small, super small trades. So we're lit. And I'll finish this video, stop recording when I get the quote unquote email that I passed. But bro, it's so funny. Like we only had like $1,000 left. We came back and passed the challenge. But I'm gonna tell y'all exactly how to do it and why I was successful at this. Because it's not by chance. It's definitely not luck. Trading is not luck at all. But I'm gonna tell you why. So we're just gonna wait for the email. I have to trade a couple days, so I'm gonna do 2 more days. We started on December 3rd. Today is December 20th. Honestly, it took too long in my opinion. I wanted to pass in 1 week. I'm gonna start another one right after this and film the whole journey. But hey, we did it. I mean, I expected it, but we'll see. I'm gonna let y'all know though. I'm gonna let y'all know. We surely did pass. We got, what is this? December 25th, 2024. Funding pips. Don't want to show too much of the information. Funding pips, no reply. Congratulations. Send KYC. Blah, 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 blah. So I know this video was a little drawn out and a little slow, but if you enjoyed any of it or you learned anything, make sure you leave a comment below. Follow, stay up to date with me on Instagram. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Also, make sure if you want to trade with me, I got you. Just DM me on Instagram, send me your email, send me your phone number. We can hop on a call, send you an email. Let's get this money. 2025, we up, baby.